Okay, this is gonna get me in trouble. I feel bad, but I'll just say it. People think there's this huge belief that the Toyota 22R, 22RE, or the old 20Rs are indestructible. I cringe at that thought. I know that people love them, but there's a lot of problems with these things. We have so many of these things come in where they have head gasket failures. We go to remove the head and the head bolt is seized in the block. You know, we have broken bolts all the time because they're rusty. They have timing chain issues, head gasket issues, timing chain guides that break and the chain rubs through a coolant passage, and now you've got coolant leaking on the backside of the timing cover. There's bizarre things that happen with these. Not to mention the antiquated fuel injection system I'm not a fan of. It's a 22R, 22RE, sorry, but you guys aren't gonna like that. I don't like them. The issues I have with the 20R, 22R, 22RE, they're actually not manufacturer issues. I know actually that they're usury issues. What I mean by that is we're kind of facing a similar situation with American vehicles in the 90s as we are right now with older Toyotas. And what I mean by that is vintage American vehicles in the 60s and 70s got pretty cheap through the 1990s. So every guy who wanted to wrench on something for fun got an old Chevy. He popped the hood and there's a mouse nest of wires. He's got the wrong carburetor on it. He installed the camshaft wrong. And that's okay, he had fun, but he didn't know what he was doing. We're having that problem now with like 90s era, late 80s era Toyotas where people think they're gonna rebuild the carburetor and they have no idea what they're doing. They try to do a head job, a valve job, something, and they botch the whole job. So most times it's usury issues, and so it's kind of frustrating. I always say man-made problems are the hardest problems to find or to properly diagnose with these older vehicles. I wanna hear what you have to say about usury issues or man-made problems you've diagnosed or issues you've come across in your career, maybe at home garage, tinkering on things. Let me know in the comments. I will. Shut the fuck up! Let me know in the comments. Like I said, tell me about what you've seen, some wild stuff. I will also reciprocate that. I've got a whole bunch of stories I'll share with you. Let me know.